how to add a payment method on Shopify dropshipping, step by step. If you want to add a payment method to your dropshipping store on Shopify, this video will guide you step by step. Adding payment methods is very important because customers cannot buy from your store unless you enable payment options. So let's start. First, open your browser and log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you are inside the dashboard, look at the bottom left corner and click on Settings. Inside Settings, click on Payments. Here you will see all the available payment providers that you can connect to your Shopify store. The first option is Shopify Payments, which is Shopify's built-in payment system. If it is available in your country, you can simply click Activate and connect your bank account. Next, you will see other payment providers like PayPal. Shopify usually automatically creates a PayPal Express checkout option using your email address. To activate it, simply log into your PayPal account and confirm the connection. If you want to add another payment gateway, scroll down to the Third-Party Providers section. Click Choose Third-Party Provider, then search for the payment gateway you want to use and follow the setup instructions. You can also enable manual payment methods like cash on delivery or bank transfer by scrolling to the Manual Payment Methods section and clicking Add Manual Payment Method. Once you finish setting up your payment options, click Save. Now your customers will be able to pay for products directly on your Shopify dropshipping store. And that's it. That's how you add payment methods to your Shopify dropshipping store. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Shopify and online business tutorials. Thanks for watching.